No. Hi guys.
We're staying in Alaska.
We're staying in Alaska for 2 months, and it's really snowing out here.
Come on, go for it. Go show them the house and stuff real quick. Quick, run, hurry up.
And this is the house. Well, my house.
Hi, Jan.
And we're gonna show you a room tour. Dada, say hi. Hey. Dominic. And here's Daddy.
Okay, go on.
Here's Nene. Dominic. And Mama. And I'm gonna give you like a little tour really quick, okay? So here's the restroom. The laundry room. The kitchen.
You're just checking in with stuff.
It's dying there.
And I was doing snowballs.
The basement. And we're gonna show you upstairs. Here's Nathan's room. Here's the baby's room, the bathroom, my mom's and dad's room, and my room. And here's the closet. And we have a lot more, but well, I think this is just it. Well, yeah, I forgot to show you the living room and the living room. And the table. Sweet, huh? And right now I'm going to show you outside. Look at all of the snow. That is snow. And oh yeah, I forgot to show you Dominic. Hi. And we're gonna go. And never mind, we gotta go to Walmart. And yeah, so.